recorded for training purposes. Please be aware that if you leave contact number, it may be given to the driver. Cabxpress.
Yes, hi, how are you today?
Doing good, and you?
Good. I need to book a taxi tomorrow morning at 9:30 a.m. please.
Sure, just give me a second.
Yep, tomorrow morning at 9:30 a.m. tomorrow morning, please.
Sure, can we have your pickup location first?
From Palmerston.
Do you know the street number and street address for this?
Street address, and the street address is Unit 22. And the street number is 7. And the street name is Elvira Place, and the suburb is Palmerston.
Can you spell this street address?
The street address is Unit 22. Hello?
Yeah, 2207.
Yes, and the street name is Elvira Place, ELVIRE Place, Palmerston.
Yep, and heading to you.
Come to Civic tomorrow morning at 9:30 a.m. please.
Just give me a second.
Yep.
Book it here, and your name.
Leanne.
And mobile number.
The phone number is 62
Yep.
557 669.
Yep.
And can you repeat my phone number again, please?
Yep, 62557 669 1227.
Excuse me, can you just tell me my phone number again, please? I can't understand you.
Okay, 62557 669.
Okay, is that 62557 669, that's it?
Yep, that's correct.
Yep, that's right, yep.
Yep, and I'm going to repeat it again. What time you want to have a cab at 9 o'clock? Did I hear you right?
Tomorrow morning at 9:30 a.m.
Okay, 9:30. I'll book in for you. Thank you.
Okay, can you repeat my address and the street name? And then, sorry, can you, excuse me, mate? Can you just repeat, can you,
Here in our system at 2207 Albert Place.
sorry, can you say that again, please?
2207 Albert Place in Palmerston, heading to the city.
Yep.
We have your details here.
Is it Leanne, is it?
Yeah, from us. Yep.
Okay, no, sure. Is it class in the area tomorrow morning or not?
There will be a cab at that time.
Okay, no, thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.